Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to fix iPhone home screen zoomed in. A zoomed in and home screen on iPhone is usually caused by the zoom accessibility feature or display settings. It can make icons appear too large and harder to navigate. You can fix it quickly using gestures or by adjusting settings. To begin, double tap the screen using the three fingers. See if the display returns to its normal size. If the screen remains enlarged, repeat the three-finger double tap. Use three fingers to drag around the screen if navigation is difficult. Open settings on your iPhone. Tap accessibility. Choose zoom. Turn the zoom feature to off. Move to the maximum zoom section and adjust the zoom level slider if necessary. Disable follow focus if you do not need it. Turn off zoom controller if it is active. Return to the home screen, then restart your iPhone so the changes fully apply. Confirm that the screen display has returned to normal. Tip: display zoom view is different from accessibility zoom. Make sure both are set correctly. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.